All right, so let's investigate more into the heap and what we can see if we change something. So if we can do a change name here, and the new name is A, and we do a list, we see the new name, and it's user number 8. Let's switch to the debugger. So I go to the other window, and here the debugger is running, so it's just in the background. And if I hit Ctrl C, I'm now in the debugger. I interrupted it, and I can do a heap chunks. In the heap chunks, we should be able to see the changed heap chunk. And again, we can of course print this information, but we can also look at maybe freed chunks, or how the chunks are added to the bins. We can also do a heap bin, and then we see, okay, there's a T-cache bin, the fast bins, the different fast bins we were discussing, the unsorted bin, and so on, and the large bins. And we see that some chunks are already sorted into one or another chunk here. And we also see that, for example, here, that this chunk is already in the T-cache bins. And this could be very helpful if we create a user and delete a user again, that we also see what's happening in the background. We can also print, for example, the main arena, which is our current heap. And as we print this symbol main arena, we have the heap internal information listed here. So we have fast bins that are empty, as we see them here, and we see that there are different other bins that are located in this arena, and there are also the pointers between those arenas. Let's also check if we can print a chunk, but this is of course not a symbol. If we, for example, follow a specific symbol here, for example, the main arena fast bins Y symbol, let's look at it here. We can try to print this, and we also see the information as it has been noted here. So here it says, okay, it's empty, 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 empty. All are null bytes, and we also see them here. So the X is the examine one hex X, and printed as a pointer G, as a 36-bit pointer.